Welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to discuss about the SIDRA KYC. I'm going to show you how you can book an appointment and how to identify the registration centers or the KYC centers in your own state and your own area. So I'm going to be guiding you through that in this particular video. And also, why are we discussing about this? We are discussing about the SIDRA KYC because it is very, very important. As you know, KYC identifies and proves that you are a human being, not a robot. For them to be able to give you their tokens, they need to be sure that you are a human being, and that is why you need to do the KYC. And also, KYC will not help you to be able to migrate your tokens from what you are mining to what you can withdraw. I'm also going to quickly discuss about that in this particular video. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. I hope that you are coming and claiming your SIDRA tokens. They are very, very important. What we are mining here is the ST, and what they are going to list or what we are going to be selling at the end of the day is SDA. I actually purchased this one to just keep it here for a video I intend to do. So this is what we are mining, ST. So now you need to be able to swap them, and to swap them you need to come to wallet section right here, and in the wallet section you are going to see swap SIDRA right here. You see that they are telling me that to swap, convert your SIDRA tokens to SIDRA digital assets. So that is the full meaning of the SDA right there. And then the ST you are mining are called SIDRA tokens. KYC is required, so I need to complete my KYC before I'll be able to do this, and that is why it is important for you to do KYC. They have a certain number of tokens that you can do within a certain time frame. I think it should be around 180 tokens, 180 SIDRA tokens that you can be able to convert after every 7 days. Now, which means if you delay your KYC and then you want to do the KYC maybe towards the listing, you might end up not being able to convert your tokens or to migrate your tokens to SD, which you will be able to sell. So it is very important that you do your KYC as soon as possible. Now let's head back to home. So in the home section, we are going to come over here, click on that, and then you can see right here, you can see KYC port. So once you click on KYC port, it is going to open up like this. So first of all, you can see that identity verification right here, and then you can see that I have a green tick mark right here. So but that doesn't mean that I have been verified. When I will be verified, I think I should be seeing it right here. So now what this means is that I have already submitted my document with the SIDRA project. So what you need to do is come here, then click on that KYC. So on that document. So if you come right here, for you to be able to book an appointment or to do your KYC, you must have first applied for this online KYC for it to be under review. Once it is under review, then you can now go ahead and go for your physical KYC, because they are going to verify you based on this. So the two are very, very important. So if you have not applied for any, make sure that you apply at least for this online one. So once you have done that, you are going to come here. So you are going to see my appointment schedule, manage your verification appointment. So let's click on view appointment. So I've not booked any session, any appointment before, and that is why you can see my appointment, manage your KYC verification appointment. See, important, in-person verification required, which means that you have to be there physically to be able to do it. So which means indirectly that they don't allow online verification. It does not mean that there is no online verification. By online, I simply means that you can meet somebody who has an office maybe far from your state, and then there are some requirements the person can request. Some people request like 30 seconds video of your face, you turning your head left, right, and then turning it lifting it up and down, and then blinking your eyes. That's one of the conditions for some people, and then some amount of money. Some people charge as 5,000 naira, some people charge as 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. I think the highest I've seen so far charges about 9,000 naira. And it differ. I'm talking about my own currency. I don't know about your own currency or wherever you are watching this video from, so maybe you can figure it out there from how I'm going to show you, because I'm going to show you how to locate the centers, the KYC centers in your own state, in your own country, in your wherever, in whatever region you are in. So now they say KYC verification must be completed in person at the branch during your scheduled appointment. Online verification is not permitted and will not be accepted. So online verification is not permitted and will not be accepted. But now another key thing to prove that you are doing it physically means that they want you to apply it online. They want you to apply here by your book an appointment by yourself. They are going to record it. Now that physical is not going to approve to now pass that appointment through. So it means that you have applied online and then you now went to a physical location. That is what this SIDRA project is doing. But well, they might be smart, but I know Nigerians always smart ahead, one step ahead. They can still do it online. Well, that's not what I'm here to share with you. So you come to book appointment, click on that, and then you're going to come over to this page. So guys, these are the available partners. Available partners means that these are the branches, these are the centers where you can do your KYC. This one is in Katsina. This is the name of the branch, and if you just scroll down right here, you can see the person's contact right here, and then you can see the email. So these are the contact information that you can use to reach out to this particular person in Katsina. And then if you look right there, you see that his working days, he works from Monday to Saturday. He works every day. So this guy works every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So any day, if you're in Katsina, you can just go ahead and do it. So we have Kano, and then the same thing goes. So they have all their information. The reason why I asked you to come here, there is a document circulating, which I have done a little research about it, and it seems to be true, which I posted on my Telegram channel, which shows the various places where you can do your KYC, but it does not include their contact information. It is just the locations, the exact location, the address, and then the state. If you are interested in trying out that one, so you can go to the comment section or in the description section of this video, and then you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel. Click on it and then join and go and check it. And then, but if you want to go the way that is known by the SIDRA team, or that is fully recognized even on their app, then you can now come here and then follow like this. You can see Kaduna again, you can see Zaria, but it's so sad that most of them are in the north. Most of them are in the north. But if you come back right here now, if you are from, I'm going to give an example, like which state. Okay, let's prioritize our economic capital, which is Lagos. So let's search for Lagos. So if you search for Lagos, so this is how you're going to search for partners. Instead of searching for their names, search their location. So once you search on Lagos, you're going to see Dataway App Limited. This guy is based in Lekki, and this is his contact information. This is his email address, and he works every day too, from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Another guy is this one, which is Botosoft Technology, and he's based at Ikeja. Ikeja should be the heart of Lagos, I think. So, and then this is his contact information, and this is email, so you can also reach out to him. Once you have identified the person, you have to just come over to book an appointment, and then on the booking of the appointment, you are going to see the person you are booking an appointment with, and then you are going to see where you are going to select the preferred date and time. And now another key thing I'm going to tell you is this: that information, your ID card, your NIN number, all those information on your ID card is going to be shared with their branch that they call branch or KYC center. That is why you see this message: I consent to share my KYC data with this So if you are not okay with it, then just know that you are not going to do SIDRA KYC. But if you are okay with it, then you have to enable this and then click on book an appointment, and that is how you can book an appointment. And I hope that you have gotten it. So if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell, because on this channel I make sure that I give you updates that are going to help you in your airdrops, in your trading and all the rest. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.